Hey folks, Austin with SiteMark out here. We're gonna go over a quick rundown of do's and don'ts for cleaning your rifle and pistol, red dots and optics. With all your SiteMark optics, you're going to get a clean cloth of some sort or another. So that's gonna be your first line of defense, if you will. Your scope cover should keep most of it off, but if you hunt or shoot a match or at a range that's real dusty, you'll pull those rings off, give the whole thing a wipe down, widen your glass. That works for all of them. They're all going to have some sort of a cloth with them. Secondary option, kind of if you're in the field, don't want to carry that, lens pens. Lots of people make them. You see them everywhere. All sporting goods stores and sell firearms have them. One end's going to be a little scrubby pin. The other side's your retractable brush. If you use the brush, you don't want to brush the major dust off and then use this to kind of rub and scrub anything left over on there. It'll keep it from scratching. Pistol optics, the same deal. Cleaning cloth, you can use this to brush any dirt, dust out of your battery carbon and all that. Use the scrubbing side to really wipe and clean. Something that is a huge opinion of mine is not using canned air. You would think using high pressure canned air to blow some dust off would be a good idea in theory. Problem I've seen is you get any of that liquid that's in the canned air out and it hits your glass, it will just cook and destroy the coatings on there. Then your glass is not going to look good and really be unusable. So I do not recommend canned air. I don't recommend a lot of chemicals. If you really need a cleaning fluid, make sure it's really safe, like alcohol-based lens solution or something. But usually a lens pen or a cleaning cloth can get most done of what you need it to do. Thanks, guys.